The harvest season in Nigeria is gaining momentum as food prices continue to soar, with 26.5 million Nigerians at risk of hunger between now and the next year, according to a United Nations agency. The usual optimism of farmers and traders has been negatively impacted by the cost of production, which with fuel prices pushing production levels to the brink. Trust TV's Ibrahim Ismail reports.
Farmers are not reaping what they sow because the current economic climate has become unfavorable to the agriculture value chain. The harvest season has come with so many challenges as farmers and traders calculate their small profit margins due to economic downturn. The high cost of farm inputs means farm produce will not come cheap as many had hoped.
The only thing or the only way that we can follow to tackle price of food commodity in Nigeria is to intervene properly, and is to intervene accordingly. Intervene on the price of input, intervene in the price of commodity, monitoring and supervision of farming activities. Well, some can smile, some will be happy with the price increment, but the best thing we are calling on the government to come at the aid of our farmers by intervening promptly, properly. Farmers' perspective is the input are very difficult to access because of the high prices. But we are calling on the government to provide warehouses where after having a farmer can take his produce, sell it at the approved rates, sell it and get the input at the subsidized rates.
Although successive governments have introduced various agricultural interventions, the country depends on importation to meet the growing food demands of its fast-growing population. Speaking on the solution, Dr. Abubakar also attributed the skyrocketing food prices to inconsistency of government intervention programs, which must be addressed to guarantee food security in the country.
Honestly, it's inconsistent in government program and policies regarding agriculture. If I say the government intervention will be continuously, at least we can be able to achieve what we want to achieve. But the government intervention, no continuity in government intervention, particularly in agriculture. Inconsistency in intervention in agriculture is cause inflation in food prices.
Nigeria is on verge of a food security crisis, and going by the current food inflation figures, there is more work to be done to avert the incoming crisis. Ibrahim Ismail, Trust TV News, Gombe.